boys, you already know, a full beard, it's like makeup, bro. It is a secret power. You grow one out, you're gonna be instantly more attractive. That is a promise, not only by me, but by scientific studies. See, the problem is that most of you can't grow a beard. And since I want you to grow a beard as quick as possible, matter of fact, I want you to have a solid beard in 30 days. So next year, 2022, you start the year right. You start the year looking as attractive as possible. Here are the 6 things that you can do to make that happen. Number 1, use a Derma Roller. Look, there's scientific studies about this. This is proven. Rollers create these micro injuries to the scalp and skin, which are a catalyst to the body's natural healing process. The response instigates collagen production, which stimulates hair growth. Only use it 2 to 3 times a week, and if you do this constantly, there's nothing stopping you. Hair growth will start, and again, this is scientifically proven, and don't just trust science, go look at reviews, go on forums and see guys using Derma Rollers to grow their beard. The before and afters are insane. The Derma Roller, you have to understand, it's a 2-in-1. Not only focuses on the beard growth, but it also focuses on that collagen production, which means that if you have acne scars or any sort of skin imperfections that you want to balance out, you're really just going to be making your skin look more attractive and more handsome. It's going to look flawless. It's the ultimate powerhouse to have in your bathroom to have great looking skin and a great looking beard. And it's one of the best ways to start the year with the most handsome face you've ever seen in that mirror. If you guys want to check out that bundle, it's going to be linked down below. Number 2, use an active serum. Look, like that study just talked about that I showed, using growing agents in combination with the Derma Roller increased the effects of it. One of the growing agents that they studied was something called minoxidil. Now, this is something that you can use. However, I've used it in the past as well. It has a lot of side effects. Itchy, flaky, irritation, red skin. It feels horrible on the skin. So what I recommend is going through a natural option. Our sponsor, Copenhagen Grooming, has an active beard growth serum that uses something called Capilia longa that is natural and has 0 side effects. You heard me right. It helps grow your beard, but it's found in nature and it has no side effects. Nothing, no itchiness, no redness. And I'm telling you because I use this on my own beard for 90 days. See, I wanted to try the effectiveness of this thing. And for 90 days, I was derma rolling and using their active serum. And bro, even if you got a beard, I recommend you use this thing because it's going to thicken the beard you already have. And if you don't have a beard, it's going to give you a beard and fill in those patches that you can't fill in. See, their special active ingredient and all the other concoction of ingredients that they've added are all natural and scientifically proven to promote beard growth. So if you buy their kit, you try it for 150 days, just like they're telling you to do it. Follow the rules. And you see no beard growth, they're going to give you your money back, no questions asked. That's how confident they are in their product and this active serum. Bro, that is insane. And again, look at their before and afters. Click that link down below, go onto their site, and just look at the customers before and afters. You'll see dudes with no beard all of a sudden have a beard after 90, 100, or 180 days. Like I said, boys, if you want something that's going to actually work, like proven by science and by their own customers, I suggest you check out that beard kit. It comes with that active serum. It also comes in with that derma roller so you can use them in combination. The link will be down below. And then on top of that, they're adding a special discount. This is just for you guys, limited time. The discount usually doesn't last that long because the kit's already affordable, but it's going to be even more affordable so you could start that year off right. If you guys want to check out Copenhagen's beard growth kit, it's going to be linked down below. Number 3, you want to keep it moist. See, dry hair, it just looks wiry and thin. If your goal is to make your beard look thicker, it needs to be hydrated. You need to understand that having hydrated skin and a hydrated beard, that full look that you're looking for, but it'll also keep the skin underneath healthy, which is what you need for optimal beard growth. 4, you want to go outside more. You need to be getting the proper balance of vitamins, and a lot of us are working from home now, which means you're not getting any sort of vitamin D. You're not even leaving your room. The problem is that vitamin D has been proven to activate dormant hair follicles. And the best part, it's free, bro. You just need some sunlight. That's probably why construction workers and lumberjacks have godly-like beard. Another good vitamin is vitamin B12 or biotin, which has also been proven to help reinforce the hair you have so it's thicker and stronger. You gotta stop touching it. Look, it's hard. Once you start growing a beard, you're gonna start pondering. You're gonna start rubbing your face. You're gonna start playing with it. But just like your hair, Pulling and tugging on it can damage your hair follicles. You can start pulling your hair by accident from its root, which can create patches or bald spots, which you do not want. If you want your beard to look as thick and as healthy as possible, you need to try not to touch your beard. You have to reduce stress. Look, it happened to my brother. When you get stressed out, you can develop something called alopecia, and without you even realizing it, it's gonna cause you not to grow in certain areas. So, I know it's hard, but trying to do stuff to kind of ease your load during the day, to be more relaxed, will help you actually grow your beard. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor. It'll be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.